大家好. Hello everyone. Welcome to the episode 9 of this lesson. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to pronounce the 8 compound finals of Chinese language, which are I, Ao, O, A, Ye, Wei, Yo, and Yue. Since we already learned the 6 simple finals of Chinese language, learning these compound finals will be very easy for us because the compound finals were made from the simple finals. When making these compound finals, all you need to do is to glide your mouth from one vowel sound to another. Glide your mouth from one vowel sound to another. Now, let's take them one by one. I, I, I. This is also one of the very easy finals you can learn. You can use the English word I to record this sound. Use the English word I to record them. But for you to be more correctly and more perfect while making the pronunciations, you need to keep your voice flat and even. I, I. The Chinese word for love is I. I. The second one we have is ow. Ow. A plus o. Ow. Ow. It's also easy. You can use the English word ouch. Ouch. Ow. Ouch to record the sound. The Chinese word for Australia is Audalia. Repeat after me. Audalia. So, ow. The next one is O. O. O plus U. O. O. You can use the English word O. O. OH in English sound. O to record a sound. The Chinese word for Europe is Ojo. Ojo. O. Ojo. The fourth one is A. 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 Just like the English word hey. Hey in English language. Hey. The Chinese word for beautiful, something that is beauty, is Mei. Mei. For example, if your girlfriend or your wife, maybe after dressing up and she asks you, how do I look? You can simply say, Mei. Mei, meaning what? Beautiful. Before we move to the fifth one, I would like you to note down one important thing. When E and U were combined with when it appears in either E and U, the sound is no longer pronounced as it will now change as a, just like the letter A in English language. Please note it that one side. When it combines with E and U, the sound will change. It is not going to be pronounced as it will change to A. That is why when we talked about the fourth one, we said A. A. Now, let's see the fifth one. On the fifth one, we have yeah. Yeah. Remember, whenever we see E, it will be pronounced as Y. That is yeah. 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 The Chinese word to thank is xie xie. Repeat after me. Xie xie. Xie xie. Xie xie ni. Thank you. ear. Now, let's see the sixth one. The sixth one is way, way, just like the combination of u plus a, u plus a. But while writing, when writing, the sound will be removed. The sound will be removed, giving us way. But while pronouncing it, the sound, which is the a sound, must be combined together, which is way. You can observe when we are saying way, you will still find out that we have that sound, a sound is coming out. But when we write, the sound must be taken out. Way. The Chinese word for correct is dui. Dui. The seventh one is yo. Yo. This is also like the combination of e plus o, e plus o, only when speaking. You will get the sound o, but when we write, the o sound must be taken out. The o sound must be taken out, giving us yo, yo. But why pronouncing? Why pronouncing it? You must get that sound. You, when we write, the O sound must be what? Taken off. The Chinese word for cattle is niu. Niu. The last one, which is number 8, is yue. Yue. Yu plus yue. Yue. The Chinese word for moon is yue lian. Yue lian. Have you noticed that when you comes together with yi, that the two dot is taken out? The two dot is no longer there. That is why we have on the moon yu lian, yu lian. Now let's take a quick review. I, ow, o, a, yeah, way, yo, yue. So today we have learned how to pronounce the 8 compound finals of Chinese language. Please, if you are new in this channel, kindly hit on the red subscription button. Remember to turn on your notification bell for more video updates. See you next time in our next video course. Goodbye.